Alpha frequency change approved.
Roger.
Glad to see you get the nose down. There you go. Don't need the left rudder. I always say that. Why don't we need the left rudder in this climbing left-hand high-power turn?
Causes the P-factor and torque.
You're exactly right. But don't push it. Just slowly move the stick that way and it'll do a coordinated turn on its own. I want you to fly coordinated in this. That's coordinated. The ball should be in the middle. Engine quits right here.
My engine quits, alright. Turn to the runway. Other guy said.
Tower Remos 119 Golf X-ray, left downwind for 24, request short approach.
Lima Spanner Golf X-ray, that's approved. Clear for the option 24.
Clear for the option 24, 9 Golf X-ray.
What's the best glide speed, sir?
65.
70 ain't gonna help. 75 ain't gonna help you too much. Or is 85?
We'll make this one.
Are we gonna be able to land on the remaining amount of runway?
We have to be able to.
We should. Go around. Go around. Go around. Woo! Woohoo! Easy on my throttle. Not too hard.
Hey.
Alright, I got the airplane a second. Tell me, how could you change that? How do you think you could have done it better?
Flap sooner. I got caught up in the wind or something making me cross the runway.
Well, first off, what speed were you down to?
I was too fast.
You were too fast. So what happened to all that extra speed? Caused you to be long and far down the runway. So what speed should you have trimmed first for?
65.
Exactly. When you didn't do that, you kept your speed 75, 80, you carried all that speed on the approach, and it turns into a whole lot more float, which carried you further down to the runway.
Yes.
If you trimmed it for 65 first, and then stayed at 65 the whole time, you had plenty of runway to go to. You could have glided out a little bit further and then turn your base leg and land it. But we're going to give you that one again, and we're going to do it in the same spot, see how you change your approach and your technique.
Okay.
Because I don't want you running off the end of a 6,000 foot runway when you didn't have to.
Roger.
You are also correct though, you could have put flaps in a bit sooner. And if you would have put flaps in a bit sooner, that would have steepened your flight path and slowed you down to where you would not have gone so far down the runway. But I wasn't going to tell you when to put flaps in. I want to see when you did it yourself.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, okay. You ready to take controls? You have the controls?
I have the control.
You have the controls. Good job. Go ahead and report a left downwind right here if you like.
Hickory Tower, Remos 119 Golf X-ray, left downwind 24. Request the option.
Kilo Sonata Golf X-ray, clear for the option 24.
Clear for the option 24, 119 Golf X-ray.
Oh, let the nose back down, just let it down a little. Don't let it pitch up and down. Hold it constant. There you go. Now, right here, we're going to give you the engine failure again, pulling it smoothly all the way back to idle. Now, just trim. Trim first. Trim. Look outside over the nose, Mike. Don't look at the runway. Trim. Trim, 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 trim. And your speed's where it should be. Now, go find a nice smooth place to land. Yes, sir. Coordinated glide. And you are now got a combination of slips and flaps to lose altitude, but I'd start throwing some flaps in. Put them in. Put them in. Put them all in. You're getting a little bit of a thermal here, but that's okay. If you put those flaps in, you're going to make enough drag to get down. Now, still maintain 65. Looking right, looking left, letting the nose gently back down to be at 65. And that's good. You don't need to let it down a lot. Now, look at your runway again. This looks a lot better. Keeping that nose down, keeping it there at that speed 65. We may have some thermals, but we can now slip if we wanted to with the right slip. So bank to the right and push the left pedal. That's good. Let my left pedal more. Hit my bug. Now, straighten the nose out. Hold, hang right here, fly a little right. Fly a little bit right. You're doing great, Mike. I want you to slowly keep trying to pull it back. Excellent touchdown, and your feet go to the center line. Excellent touchdown. Flaps up 15 degrees. And whenever you are ready, you can take off again. Let's do that again. All in, right rudder, center line control. Nose back down as you push forward, because you want speed. You want the best rate of speed, best rate of climb. Over to 75. Push that nose forward for me some more, sir. You can now take your thumb and make it work to your advantage to trim. Yeah, okay, I can trim, yeah. Excellent, excellent. Keep that nose down. Keep it down. You want speed. It's getting the speed that we want. Excellent. Woohoo! Nose down a little more. That ain't the right attitude. That right there. That'll give you 75. Right there. You just keep it there. Bit of right rudder. More right rudder. There you go. Do that again.